Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Lisa Living Free. Guys, I'm out here at a beach that's not too far from where I'm staying in this small town. It is very shallow, so it's not much of a huge beach, but it is nice to come out here. I'm actually going to be getting some food out of my car. Come on, walk over with me. Isn't that beautiful? Don't y'all like that? It's one of the reasons why I love living here in Florida, guys. If you're new to my channel is all about living free. I'm talking about 6 months in my SUV. I'm speaking about living in a shared environment and saving money to own land and to travel. And I am a case manager slash social worker, and that's my full-time job, and I work full-time here in the state of Florida. Okay, so I'm gonna go get some food out of my car, so you guys go with me. Okay, I got my headset so I can listen to music if I want to. Get some food out here. Oh, it's on the other side. Man, put it on that side. Y'all, hold on. No, that's part of the bag. Okay, so I got some boba tea. I went to the Asian supermarket and I got these. These are so good. Look, these are like $3. He went up on them, I think, but they're $3. They're a amazing noodle. I got the curry kind, and I got coconut and shrimp flavor. So I'm gonna eat that tomorrow. But right now, I'm about to. I had to get my boba. It's a bubble milk tea, caramel flavored. I got that out, so I'm gonna drink that. But then I'm gonna eat. I got some steamed shrimp. I got from Publix. Got it steamed up. So let me get that out so we can eat and talk really quick. All right. So as you can see in the back, well, you can't see in the back, but I have my food. And I got my steamed shrimp. Oh, and they had BOGO watermelon. Y'all, if y'all know me, I love watermelon. If you know me, then you know. So I'm gonna go get me a fork out the back of my bowl. Okay. I can't wait till my grandson comes because I'm going to take him out to this park too. But one thing about Florida, we have like tons and tons of parks to go to. So you're never without a park that is free to come. I mean, free. I mean, there's no reason why people say they can't do stuff with their children. When here in the state of Florida, we have free parks. A lot of places probably do that. I just think that's what's cool about Florida. They're nice parks and not cheesy parks. I'm gonna take this just for my hands, just in case. Oh, and I got me some wipes. I got those from the Dollar Tree. All right. Grab my bowl, bring it to the front. Got my watermelon. Throw it in here. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this down. This park closes at 8:30 tonight, so after 8:30, I'm pretty close to y'all, aren't I? 8:30 tonight to hang out at this beautiful park. So I'm gonna go over here, bring my food. Oh, there's my boba tea. I gotta get that. Hold on. All right. So guys, if y'all been watching my videos, I've been talking to you guys, encouraging those who may need the encouragement. If they're looking into, trying to save money, or they have a big goal to meet and they have an opportunity, if they're not with, much children, they're by yourself, this might be an opportune time for you to become somewhat of a SUV van lifer or a car lifer, something of that nature where you can save money. And I'm going to sit out here and eat my food. Well, I might sit right here. I was gonna sit up there. Trying to find a clear place. Bugs over there. All right, so anyway, back to what I was saying. yeah, going into this type of lifestyle, you're a little bit more free. Ooh, bees everywhere, or bugs or something. I'm gonna keep moving along. I might end up going out here. But I'm trying to film, so I don't want to get interrupted. Okay. So anyway, with the car camping, you come out here, you can stay out here in parks and stuff. It's like 8:30 at night, and then you can go and hunker down somewhere, whether you want to go back at like a Planet Fitness or something, take a shower after. But if you want to like hunker down after you spend time at the park, like this park closes at 8:30, you can go find your spots um, where you can park. I would suggest Cracker Barrel, 24-hour fitness, any 24-hour fitness places that allow it. Some places have like an ordinance that they don't want you to come to the other place. But anyway, here is the street shrimp I got from Publix. It was like $7.06 for a pound. And then I got BOGO watermelon, $3 and change for BOGO, so basically $1.50 each. And they probably had tons of watermelon. And then I got this, a great salad. And normally what I do, I eat the whole salad because, first of all, I like to put the dressing on it. And after the next day, it tastes great. So that's why I eat it all at once. So anyway, I'm out here. About to, let me show you. Can you see? All right, guys. So I'm going to put the salad in my bowl. Oh. Okay. Right here. We're going to put it over here. All right. Okay. So that it won't be all over the place, I got a bag. I'm going to put the bag here. I'm going to put the bag underneath my table. And I got a little bamboo. I broke it, y'all. Cracked it by accident. I need to just go to the Dollar Tree and get me some crazy glue. Anyway, so that bag, that was the Thai cashew. Y'all seen me talk about it before, so it's not nothing new, but it's the Thai cashew. I should have brought my other stuff that I bought for my salad. Anyway, so I put everything in here, right? And this Thai chili salad, oh God, it's so good. It's the Thai cashew salad. It is so good. I mean, like literally mouth-watering good. When you go out to different places, you don't get a salad like this. And this was it used to be 2 for $7. They went back up. Now it's $5 per salad. But think about it. Most salads are like $13. Every salad I priced when I was looking up some stuff to go out to eat today, I said, maybe I'll go out to eat, but I've been eating out too much and I spent too much money on food. I mean, I literally could look at my budget and tell you I went overboard on food and thrifting. So I'm going to cut back on thrifting this month and cut back on my going out to eat as well. This is like a Sunday brunch. But even during this weekday, since I'm going back to I'm in class and we're in a classroom now, I'm still going to be eating from my car. I'm going to get some peanut butter and jelly, make sandwiches. I'm just going to eat salads and chicken or shrimp or whatever, and that's it. And my noodles, which is only simple. But yeah, guys, make you a salad. So watermelon flavor. You got your greens. Protein is my shrimp. I'm excited about them. Look at that. So pretty. And that's a pound. And it's in Obey. Y'all can know I love Obey, but it's not, I'm sure about Obey. It's salty, so you gotta be careful to not too much. Oh my God, but look. Look at there. I'll put that in there and shell. I gotta take the skin off, but you get more if you don't order the kind that's already pre-peeled. You get more per pound, so that's why I'm peeling it myself and taking the legs off. That's good. For salad, So if you want to live in your car, a van, SUV, Keep things simple. Go to the grocery store a few days a week so your stuff will be fresh. You don't have to keep on storing a bunch of stuff. I mean, I have a cooler in my car. So I was gonna go to the beach and I said I was take some snacks or whatever, but what I'll be doing is take them. They're good. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, y'all. But keep everything simple when you live on a car. Find ways to enjoy yourself. Find ways to find places that are quiet, quaint. Unless you want to be noisy, you could. I figure anybody who lives in their car and stuff like that, they're more low key. They're not all over the place. They're very intentional. And I'm not talking about just because someone kicked you out the apartment. I'm talking about you intentionally decide to do this thing. So I encourage you guys to live like this, even if it's temporary. Live well, live good, enjoy your time, eat well, sleep well. I'm having eat well, sleep well. I slept at the 24-hour fitness place where I go. And after, it was like late in the night, late in the morning, right? Early morning. So after that, I got up about 6:45. Went to a national, like a wilderness park. I went to the wilderness park, and it was so amazing. I parked, put my curtains up, and slept and slept. I think part of the reason I slept more, I went to a friend's where I had Cinco de Mayo. I didn't drink a lot, but I'm not a big drinker. So when I drink, it goes to my body quicker. And I think that's what made me sleep hard. But I felt groggy. That's the worst feeling, groggy after. That's why I'm not a drinker, because I don't like to feel that way. And so I kind of took some time to get myself together. Then I finally went to the gym, worked out, got a shower, and went thrifting. I was only supposed to be in the thrift store. Less than $20. I spent $31. But thrifting I just love. It just gives me, I don't know, I'd say peace, encouragement. But this is the last week. And I'm going to watch what I spend. My goal is to save a lot of money while I'm in my car. I don't want to be spending it all. I don't think I'd spend a lot, but I can cut back more. Yeah. This is my second credit card. I'm almost paying off two. The first one I paid off. The second one I'm about to pay off. I own like $100 some on it. And so that's 2 out of 9. Including my car is 10. But out of the credit card, 2 out of 9. 2 will be paid. I got 7 more to go. So, and I'm excited. Because I don't think I would ever been able to do this by living straight into the apartment as soon as I got the job. Just moving to an apartment. And I'm glad I didn't. Because I've been a mess. So, I'm glad I didn't. But I won't overcook y'all. I just want to chill with y'all for a little bit today. Give you some coping encouragement. You know, saving money, paying things off, or whatever you gotta do. You gotta do it, God. The world is changing. A lot of stuff is going on, so no more better in a situation where you don't have nothing, or you're in a situation with your back against the wall, and you can't go anywhere because you don't have any monies or whatever. I just encourage you, do what you can to get out of debt. Do what you can. Put some money aside for some emergencies, because it will come. And stop believing you gotta keep away everybody, because you don't. You want a little second that up. They feel good. Yeah. Do what you need. Write down everything you owe and start hitting it. All right? It's a girl who used to live in Freedom out here at the Robert something Memorial Park in the beach or whatever. Over here is some beautiful homes. And right here, I'm just showing you. I'll show you my view. Let me show you. Chilling. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed my talk with you. Try to let you inside my world, see how this is where I come. Some people sit in their houses watching television. I don't have my house. I have my car, my SUV. But instead of sitting up in there, come out here to places like this. Fix me a little dinner, some easy. And that's it. Y'all, sorry to be munching, but this food is so good. Such a great idea. Steamed shrimp, a salad, some watermelon, and a bubble tea. It's not the liquor for them because it's like unladylike. I'm sorry, but I had to. I was tired too. Let's take a little sip of this bubble tea. See, it tastes good. I hope it does. Cost me darn $3 almost. Well, $2 and some change. Let's see. Oh, there we go. I stuck up in there. It's good. It's like caramel. It's in my ice cream. But it's boba inside. Boba is at the bottom. I got this kind. They have a can one too. Because the regular boba tea is like $7, $8. Oh shit. So I go to the Asian market, grocery store, and get my own. There's a word. Alright. Enjoy your life. Find ways to make yourself happy. Because it's within. It's not to a person. It's within. Pure joy comes from the Lord. So you have a relationship with Him, you can go further. But don't count on nobody to make you happy. Nobody. Nobody. Depend on yourself to make your own self happy. That's too much burden on somebody. Okay? People love that.